Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. This lets you choose what search engine Chrome uses when you search from the address bar. So let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer, which I already have open up here. Step 2, in the top right corner, click the three dots and select Settings. Step 3, from the left menu, click Search Engine. Under Search Engine, click the drop-down menu and choose the search engine you want. You have Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Yandex. For the sake of this video, we're just going to choose Microsoft Bing. Step 5, all you have to do next is just set as default. Click it, and that's it. You have successfully changed the default search engine in Google Chrome. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.